Guys, it's Miss Leonard. I'm going to go ahead and work with you guys on being able to read numbers or being able to create numbers when they're in word form. Okay, we're going to start with the place value chart that you guys just finished. Okay, so here I have a blown up version of the place value chart you just worked with. And you should already know the place values. I showed you the answer key. Here's the ones, tens, hundreds. Now in my comma spot, I wrote a ginormous word that says thousand. And we'll get to that in just a second. And then we have the thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Okay, but we're going to start small. We're going to start here in the units house. Okay, so in this number, we're going to start something small. Let's start with 28. Okay, I'm sure you guys know how to read this number, 28. Okay, this is first grade kindergarten math. Okay, so now if I add a digit in front of it, now it's going to change a little bit, okay? So now, because there's a digit in the hundreds place, we're going to say 528, okay? So we have to say 100 whenever there's a digit in the hundreds place. It's a little tricky. So let me try a different number. All right, here's our next number. We have a digit in the 7. So we're going to say 734. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, here's our next example. We have 819. All right, so let's get bigger. Let's say we have a number over here. Do you see how I placed a purple box around it? It's because this is the thousands house, okay? This was our units house, and this one here is our thousands house, okay? Now, we still have to say 100 when we're in this box over here, in the thousands house. So let me put a number down. Let me say we have 257. Okay, I still have to say 200, and I'm just going to say 100. I'm not going to say 100,000. I'm going to say 257,000. Okay, because we just finished the thousands house. We got to the end of the thousands house. So again, I would say 257, and then I would say 1,000 because I just finished the thousands house. Okay, let's try to put this together. 257,819. All right, let's try a bigger number. So here it is, 257,819. Okay, let's try another number. All right, so my number isn't as big this time, but I'm going to start on the left side. Now, there's nothing in the hundreds place, so I'm not going to say anything here. Sorry, in the 100,000s place. There's nothing here. So I'm just going to say this number together. 46,000, because I just ended this house, okay? So 46,351. Okay. Now let's say I add another digit over here. Okay, now I would say 746,351. Okay, let's try another example. All right, we have this big, large number, has 6 digits, but it's not scary because we're breaking it up by houses, okay? We're breaking it up. Let's look at this first house in the thousands, okay? How do you think I would say this number? 832. 832, then I should say 1,000. So far, 832,101. Let's say it out together. 832,101. Okay, we don't have to say anything here because it doesn't have a value there, but you have to put these two numbers together, so that would just be 1. All right, let's try another one. All right, how do you guys think I would say this number here? 311,504. 311,504. Okay, I'm gonna give you just one last example before we start practicing. Okay, so we have this big, large 6-digit number, but we're not afraid of it because we can break it up into chunks. Okay, here's our thousands house. We would say here's our units house. What do you think we're going to say? Okay, but don't forget you have that word in the middle, okay? Here we go. 783,425. Hope you got that right, guys. If you're still stuck or you're not sure, try to rewatch the video and see if you still have any questions. Please don't forget you can give me a call if you're not sure, and I'll help you through it. Okay, let's keep going. On the next pages, you're going to have the opportunity to create numbers. I'm going to have it in word form, and I'm going to read it out loud to you. It's going to be your job to rearrange the numbers in the place value chart to get the right answer. Okay? Good luck. Make sure you're paying close attention to what I'm saying.